Engineers, UAE Golden Visa. Here's the simple checklist. Step 1. Verify eligibility. Recognized engineering bachelor's or higher. Attested by UAE MOE. Valid UAE employment contract. Typical basic salary. AED 30,000 plus. May vary. Professional license if required. Some qualify by official nomination. EGSH Dubai. Step 2. Gather documents. Passport. Plus UAE residence visa, if any. Attested engineering degree. Professional license, if required. Employment contract, plus salary certificate. Medical fitness certificate. Emirates ID or registration form. Valid UAE health insurance. Note, license needs vary by discipline and emirate. ADRO. Step 3. Submit application. Dubai, apply via GDRFA website or Dubai Now app. Other Emirates, apply via ICP portal or ICP UAE Smart App, JSB. Some need nomination by a technical government entity, DED. Step 4. Medical and biometrics. Medical exam at an approved center. Biometrics for Emirates. ID. Fingerprints, retina scan, photo. Golden Visa services. Step 5. Processing. Processing usually 2 to 4 weeks. Approval via SMS and email from ICP or GDRFA. Step 6. Receive your Golden Visa. Passport stamped with 10-year visa. Digital Emirates ID confirms residence. Cost summary. Application and processing. AED 4,000 6,000. Medical and Emirates ID. AED 1,500. Attestation. AED 300 600. Total. AED 5,300 8,100. Golden Visa services. Tip. Keep digital copies ready. Requirements can differ by specialty.